Welcome back to Cousin John Car Stuff. Here's the letter from Hyundai regarding the trunk latch recall. And I'll have to scroll down so it's big enough to be able to see. I'm not sure how it'll come out on a monitor, but I'll just let you read it. And I whited out the personal information on it, but it tells what vehicles are covered by this recall and what will Hyundai do, what is the problem. There we go. So there we are. What should you do? It says if malfunction indicator light is illuminated. Don't know what that means. Haven't got a clue, but I take it to mean if your trunk latch is not locking as it should, then you might have to freeze frame it so you can read it, but this is essentially what the letter says, and the recall number at the top, etc. And so I'll just let it sit here for a minute so a person can read it, can read it and see the details of the letter. And if need be, a person might freeze frame so they can see the whole thing, but this is the letter that came in the mail that I thought I'd share with you. And in just a moment, I'll have a brief comment about this. Well, I thought I would. Okay, gonna zoom out. And bear with me just another moment here. Okay, now see, I'm not low budget, I'm no budget. I'm doing these videos with about a 4 or 5 year old cell phone, and the only way I know how to upload them is through the cell phone. So now it says in the letter an hour, possibly more. Typically it can be done in less than 15 minutes, but with the paperwork and all. I have had a few questions about what do I do, how do I know if mine is affected, etc. So this is what I realized. Got the letter in the mail, go ahead and post it for the benefit of others. So that's what I'm doing. And I have other Hyundai Sonata content as well. And as well too, I have numerous years in car deals and whatnot. If there's any question about dealing with the dealer or anything else over 45 years worth, as a matter of fact, feel free to ask. I'll do a video and let you know. I have one coming up this next Wednesday, a rebuttal to a former car salesman that says the dealer always wins. Well, that's not true. not 100% of the time. And I'll have that video Wednesday, depending on work schedule with the holidays and all, by 6, most likely by sometime Wednesday evening. Regular upload schedule. I aim for Saturday by 6 and Wednesday by 6, but with yesterday's work schedule, having to work Saturday, it didn't work out. So anyway, here's something I hope will benefit numerous folks. If you know a person who might be affected by this recall, certainly let them know about this video. And if you find this and my other content is worthwhile, please like, share, and subscribe. I'd like to be up to 50 subscribers by a week from today. Be a wonderful holiday present if they would work out. Can we get there? Maybe a touch more. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. Hope this video is helpful. And see you this coming Wednesday. Take care.